It has ants. Ants, good. So, let's look. We have a daddy. What's next? What's next?
What's next? Mommy ant.
Mommy ant, good, Claire. A mommy ant, good. Okay, we have the mommy ant, the daddy, and the mommy. Okay, everyone. What's next? What's next? What do you think? We have the egg, the larvae, and the baby. What's next? What's next? Think. Everyone say
I think
the
egg.
Good job, guys. Good. I think the egg. Excellent.
I
the
think
egg
the
is
egg.
next. Good. Okay. Everyone.
What's next?
What's next? We have the larvae and the baby. Good.
Baby.
What's
I
next?
think it's the larvae.
Excellent, Manon.
Yes.
Manon, great. It's the larvae. Good.
What's next?
What's next? Do you know?
I think it's the
I think
it's the baby.
Excellent. Everyone, do you agree? It's the baby.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the baby. And then the baby becomes what? When he grows up, he becomes
A daddy.
A daddy or a
mommy.
Great. So he becomes a daddy or a mommy. Good job, guys.
Yay.